Yes, Baba.
Are you sure that you really want to do this thing that you told me?
Baba, why are you going back to the matter? Baba, look at me. Baba, look at my phone. It does not even have full button. Baba, I don't have money. There is nothing in my account. And I want to go for my reunion party in June. Baba, help my life.
You be mumu. You really want to have money?
Oh, Baba. Baba, if you understand the kind of money I want to have. Baba, I want to spray money from... I want the money to be carpet on that day. I want to spray money from the red carpet to the main ballroom. I want the money to be... They should be stepping on my money.
Exactly. This is the right place to come. We have done it for so many people. It is the best place to come. But there is something you are going to do for me, young man. Do you have anybody, a human being,
that I can take as my date to the reunion?
You know, as your year to the reunion. A human being that we can use, we can sacrifice, we can do.
You think say they're wise?
Like
like your father.
It is smoky,
Igbo. Sorry, but be calming down, Baba. You see all this kind of blood and organ human trafficking. I know they like to put my hand, Baba. Baba, please, any of that thing I can do it.
You don't want blood on your hands, Abi? It's not going to be on your hands, it is going to be on your head.
Yeah, Baba, I'm sorry, sir.
Don't worry, just
you want another
play.
Yes, sir.
Just play.
You are sure?
Keep playing.
This bottle that I listen.
You are sure? You are sure?
Baba, I say I'm sure.
Oh, you have to put it and knock your head 3 times. Touch it.
You be mumu. You think say they're wise? You are a mumu man.
Means that you are sure. We will look for another alternative. Baglo. Tako said the dealer and like this. Tako lo afara. Tako lo bafara. Agidi tako gidi to go on. Tako awo afara. Tako awo bafara. Ego. Another thing.
Jesus!
Very lucky one.
I hit it on my head very hard 3 times.
It's very simple.
Yes, sir.
Very simple thing.
I will soon beat someone's child.
Just swallow this. If you swallow it,
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Swallow! 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 It is done.
Money is here.
Money is there.
Money is here.
Hello. Do you know Elon Musk?
What the chess man?
He's richer than Elon Musk.
Hey, Baba, when Elon Musk went on vacation in South Africa, I saw you on his page. I was like,
You are a very correct boy. So you saw me?
I saw you, Baba.
I did it for him. Elon Musk. Kokoyo Mikere.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. There's something that is going to happen to you briefly. It's not something that will take long. You will just for 2 months. You will just be picking things on the street. You go mad. Go mad for 2 months. When did you say you want to do this thing?
Madness.
Yes.
Madness.
Yes.
2 months.
Yes. You'll be collecting things from. You can even walk here from here to Kano. When is your reunion?
In June.
This is March, Abi. By April, your madness will start till end of May. Then in the beginning of June.
Reunion.
Over there, Pablo Dano.
But I shall have money.
You will! Definitely.
I can do that. Madness for April.
May. That's it.
Reunion in June.
Yes.
Okay.
Elon Musk, as you are seeing him, 6 months will be mad.
Can you see that
Yes.
kind of thing from your mouth and say somebody?
Olúwo máa ń ṣe kọ̀tọ̀kọ̀tọ̀ ń gbà mí. Kò lè kó lára ẹ̀.
Baba.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Baba. Now planning committee they call me. Baba, they don't know what they happen. Hello, James. How far now, my guy? How far my G? And waiting so. No, James, calm down. You shift to reunion because of Wale. Kilo come Wale. James, are you a virgin? James.
Ready.
Baba,
Kini,
wow.
what is it?
They shifted my reunion, Baba. Baba, my reunion in June. They shifted it to May.
Very lucky boy. Very, very lucky boy.
Baba, help my life. The reason why I'm here, my reunion in June, they shifted it to me, Baba. I'll be mad in May, Baba. Me, Baba. Baba, please help my life.
It just means that you are not going to just use your money anyhow, because the madness is just going to continue. We can't reverse the madness. We can't reverse it.
Baba, mommy.
You want the solution?
Yes, sir.
You want the solution?
Yes, sir.
Put it low.
It is finished.
Don't